Hello, my friends. It's great to have you back on my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's going to transform your perception of money and wealth, the money fortune. Unlocking financial success in a pessimistic world. Strategies you need to know. Let's jump right in. Have you ever found yourself in a financial rut, questioning why you don't have more money? Ever wondered what keeps you from attracting wealth? It's time to change your mindset and rethink your approach. In this thrilling video, we'll explore 3 significant mindset shifts that are crucial to your financial success. These shifts will help you break through the obstacles that hinder your path to wealth. By embracing these new perspectives, you'll see money as a gift that enters your life, rather than as something owed to you. You'll also realize that money is a form of energy waiting for you to put it into action. Finally, you'll understand that the universe supports your desire for wealth, and it's not the universe but rather our own beliefs and attitudes that stand in our way. The journey towards financial success starts with altering our viewpoint about money. So, why sit on the sidelines when there's an abundance of prosperity out there waiting for us? Let's seize this opportunity and turn our dreams into reality. Thank you so much for joining me today on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like this video if it resonated with you and hit the subscribe button for more inspiring content like this one. Remember, we control our own future. Let's make it a prosperous one.